A function is a reusable piece of code that can be written once in a program and run anywhere else. Let's create a basic function by writing the word def, which means to define or create a function. Then we'll write print hello, and notice that we write print and then hello, the first letter is uppercase. This is known as camel case, and this is very common in programming. Then we write two parentheses. This is also part of creating a function, and it is necessary. Then we'll write a colon and write print hello world. Now we can run this function, then we'll run print hello. And you can see when we run it, it says hello world. There's another type of function, and it has a parameter. A parameter is data that can be inserted into the function from the outside. So we'll write a function called addNums, and it'll take in A and B inside of its parentheses. And then we can print A and B, and we can access A and B inside the function because we've asked for them as parameters at the top. Now when we run addNums, you can see it gives us an error because we haven't given it these parameters. So let's write 2, 2, just like we wrote A and B, and run it again. And it says 4, which is of course the sum of 2 and 2. We can make this even better though. Instead of printing A and B, we can return A and B. This means that the value of addNums with these two 2's in it is going to be returned. So now it's almost like a variable. We can make a variable called sum and set it equal to addNums with 2 and 2. And when it returns A plus B, which is going to be 4, sum will be equal to that. So we can just print out sum, and now you can see it's 4.